What's up, guys? Brendan, the Crypto Buddha from Market Makers, another XLM update. It is Monday evening. Let's get right into this price action, guys. If you haven't seen my Bitcoin video, make sure you watch it daily. I am expecting a major correction in Bitcoin with a price target of 20 to 25K. Keep that in mind when you're making decisions about XLM. Additionally, there is always a good chance we could see a mega pump. I am surprised, to be honest, that it hasn't happened yet towards that corrective structure level for Bitcoin, which is 52K. So I would still expect it to crumble after a mega pump. Either way, the market structure is geared for a heavy descent for Bitcoin. But again, keep that in mind when you're considering what to do with your altcoins and XLM in particular, because that's what this video is about. All right, guys, so do we see any shapes right off the bat? Well, because Bitcoin was faltering, I do see a double top, right? So you have your double top here, and it looks like it broke the neckline, and so you're descending some. You're trading at 37.6 cents, and you're right here at that support level as well, okay? So you can see that. Additionally, you do have a bearish cross in my two temas here. This is a 55 and a 234, and that again is another confirmation of a potential downtrend, okay? And again, this is so closely tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin turns back around and has this mega pump that may be in the cards, then you would see this price rise exponentially. But again, that mega pump, it will be artificial and it will crumble, okay? So keep that in mind. And this is all my opinion, and it's all for educational purposes and entertainment. Are you not entertained? All right, guys. So let's check Ichi while we're here. It's a cloud trader for 20 years, so I like Ichi. We did lose our moving averages. We're descending through the cloud, and we're resting on support, or about to be resting on support. Keep that in mind. Since you're falling through the cloud, the next cloud will turn red over here. And in a perfect world, with a red cloud over here, the price would be going underneath the cloud, okay? It doesn't mean you can't come back up through the cloud, but that's what cloud trading is, so just keep that in mind. Let's look at one other thing here. I like to look at my volatility, and one of the ways I look at my volatility is with pivot points and trend lines, okay? These are volatility trend lines, and you can see this channel that we are trading in. Let me expand this for your viewing pleasure. You can see this channel that we are trading in right here, and this, again, would be a descending channel, okay? So just watch this price action, and again, closely tied to Bitcoin, guys. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you can see the same channel over here, except we were trending up, and then we're breaking it right now, okay? So I have my two TEMA lines here, my two TEMA moving averages, and you can see there's no bearish cross yet. This is a lagging indicator behind the 1-hour time frame because it takes 4 1-hour candles to make one 4-hour candle. And you do see the double top, okay? So keep that in mind, and your neckline is right about there. So it looks like you just broke it or might be breaking it, and you're kind of hovering on a support line here for a volatility trend line. Let's look at Ichi. Let's see if anything's different here. Our support lines will be the same, but let's check out Ichi. So yeah, you're a little bit more elevated. This is a volume-weighted moving average, so it's starting to cut through the moving average. It's not quite beneath it. You have a nice support cloud underneath you, but again, if you fall through the cloud, you would be underneath the cloud. This cloud that's forming right here would turn red, and then ideally, in an ideal cloud trading world, you'd be trading underneath the cloud. Again, just something else to think about. All right, let's get a polynomial trend regression price prediction, and I'll tell you how this ties. So this is again saying 28.6, okay, 28.69. So this is tied to Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin polynomial trend regression study I did earlier today for the video had Bitcoin at 39.5 roughly. So this changes. This is 16 and a half days of data, but as Bitcoin descends or ascends, this will change, okay? But this is where there's strong support level, and a trend regression study is at the 28.6 level, okay? For XLM. Keep that in mind, guys. And again, guys, if you like these XLM updates, like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep pumping them out. Check out our Discord in the video description. Over 900 people there now, guys. I think we had 150 join yesterday alone. But come check us out. We have everything you could imagine in our Discord group, okay? We have Glassnode, we have deep dive market analysis, we have TA from multiple sources, and of course we have trade signals, which is why a lot of people are there. All right, guys, I hope to see you in the room, and another update coming soon.